It's tasty. It's yummy. It's your mama's kitchen. Yeah.
Today we're making soul food egg rolls. For today's ingredients you will need... No ma'am, not today. Egg roll wrappers. You can find the Twin Dragon brand at Walmart or even Instacart. 1 cracked and beat egg or egg white, and add an additional tablespoon or 2 of water or milk. Shout out to the Spruce for this cool demo. Ooh, how can I forget the sweet potatoes? Be sure to cook these up in your favorite brown sugar, white sugar, butter, and also nutmeg, cloves, and cinnamon. Macaroni and cheese, please. And for that Thanksgiving flavor, add your turkey and your dressing. And if you don't mind your food touching or being blessed with a little bit of greens juice, feel free to grab your bag of collard greens. It could be Glory's in a bag, can, or in a bushel. Ta-da! Okay, now that you got your food cooked and ready to go, let's stack it up.
For our records.
What we do is we take 1 piece of meat, lay it down like that.
First we use the egg wash to kind of seal the outside of the wrap, followed by the turkey.
Natural process of orientation. Take you some stuffing. Lay it down right there. You take a little scoop
Take a
of
dab of
greens.
greens.
Don't want too much of that. Okay. Next you have is your, we have our mac and cheese. Take a little scoop of that on top. Then we close it out with the final, which is going to be our sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a little tricky. You grab a little bit.
What about putting them just on the side? I guess fine.
Okay. Now what we do, fold it like a diaper fold, which I don't know nothing about because you know I don't do diapers. But you grab it like this. I'm gonna make sure that that stays sealed. So we'll go ahead and bless those ends. And you wrap it like that. And you tuck that other side in.
Like an envelope.
That's good. Some people use water instead of egg white. I think you can use either one.
Perfection.
Okay. You see, that's the second one. And you want that to seal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of water to my egg wash because I think it needs it. Just a little bit. Okay. Let's mix this up a little bit more.
And a little stir.
Definitely love the stir. Okay, so then we're gonna get another one.
Shout out to egg roll wrappers.
Okay.
Now let's take it to the grill. Let's fry them up in the deep fryer. If you don't have a deep fryer or turkey fryer, you can also fry them in the skillet. Just be very, very careful in how much you put your oil. Bon appetit. You can have these for Thanksgiving dinner. You can also use them as appetizers prior to Thanksgiving dinner, or have all those leftovers. You can bundle them up and put them in the egg roll and make a delicious, excuse me, oh, my mouth is watering, a delicious treat after all of the goodies are gone. Have a great Thanksgiving, guys.